Okay, now we are trying this honey mince recipe, which is honey, green food coloring, peppermint, and powdered milk. And so you're just supposed to stir that all together, but it's kind of more the consistency of frosting. So I'm not sure how you can make mince out of it. Maybe I'll put some more powdered milk in it. Again, it says non-instant powdered milk, so I'm not sure if this instant stuff will work. Maybe that's why it's so runny. I don't know, but I don't want to waste any more honey. That's all. So it kind of just tastes like sticky powdered milk. And I'm going to try to put some powdered sugar in it because I don't think it's sweet enough. I don't think I could get my kids to eat it. So I'm not so sure on this one either. The girls are going to try the honey mince. I put a whole bunch of powdered sugar in it too. It reminds me a lot of if you have ever made conversation hearts. It's that kind of texture. And so we're going to see what you guys can eat it, and we want to see your reaction.
It's good. It's milky.
It's milky? It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it minty?
Mm-hmm.
Does it taste like powdered milk?
Mm-mm.
Really? Okay.
Bit, but not really.
That's good because I thought it tasted a lot like powdered milk.
It's good.
Okay. Well, good.